Hi guys, my name is Emma and today I would like to talk to you about the trading as a lifestyle. I decided to do this thing because I am ambitious myself. I never like to work 9 to 5, I always try to think outside the box, and I'm sure that you are the same type of person, the same type of personality, and you want to be creative in your life. You want to find a lot of options that means your cup of tea, and you have to decide all the steps in the trading. You have to analyze everything on the market, and this skill becomes your lifestyle because you have to make the same decisions in your life, everyday life, with your friends, with your family, and this skill is very helpful for everyone, not for traders only. Of course, it's some kind of psychological thing, but I believe that trading is not only about the logic, it's about the feelings, because of course logic is very important thing in this case. We should analyze, we should always control the market, but we should also control our feelings. And that's why I decided to discuss with you this point. And if you agree with me, I'm very happy to hear that. Write it in the comment. What do you think about this point? I'm ready for my trading, but I want to tell you that I have a Telegram chat, and if you want to get there, find the link in the description under this video and write me the code word private. And also I have a Telegram channel with reviews from guys who are already members of this Telegram chat. There guys write about their experience, about their impressions about the private chat, and you can check it yourself, so do not hesitate and come there right now. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and let's start our trading. Hi guys, so today it's a weekend and we cannot trade with usual currency pairs, and it's a great chance to trade with OTC currency pairs. And you also know that we can trade with them at night time. You remember that we can not use fundamental analysis with OTC currency pairs, but technical analysis is quite okay for them. That's why today we will trade with using classic candlestick analysis. We will look at the support and resistance levels, the other patterns on the market. Well, let's start. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level, and the price has approached this level, then bounced down, and right now it has come to the level and is breaking it through, and sticking to this level. Well, let's open a trade with that for 2 minutes, and I'm sure the price will keep on moving up and then breaking through this level, because this is the sticking to the level obviously. And of course there can be the small flat or a bounce again, but let's check it. Well guys, it's quite well. So the price bounced down and then the moving up continued, and the price broke through this level. We have got the profit, and this time was enough for that. So we could watch the price a little, and it was the impulse up, and after that the red candlestick is showing up. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with down movement. I think that we will get the small pullback down at least, because as in most cases after the breakthrough of the level there is the pullback. It's kind of the retracement. Let's check it. So that's excellent. The price bounced down and the profit is ours, and you can see this time was excellent for that. So let's continue. Well guys, here you can see the support level, and the price touched this level for third time, and of course there was a small pullback up and the price is sticking to this level. Well, let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes here, because I think the price will break through this level, and right now the price is already going beyond this level. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's quite interesting. After the small flat, the movement down continued, and then the price broke through this level. We have got the amazing profit. You can see that. Well, let's keep on our trading. Well guys, here this is the resistance level and the price has been impulsively moving towards our level, and right now the price slowed down and bounced down. So let's open the trade for 3 minutes with up, and this time is with the reserve because there can be the bounce down here, but I will wait for the breakthrough of the level because this is a very great potential for an increase here, you see. Well guys, it's quite interesting. The price really continued its moving up without any bounces, and this level was broken through immediately, and we have got the amazing profit here again. So the price really has a very great potential for an increase here, but I would like to find another situation. So guys, here you can see there is a very good downtrend, and there is still a place to the support level. It is located lower, so let's open a trade due to the trend with down movement, and I'm sure the price will keep on moving down because the price has very great potential for a decrease here. You see that? Well, let's check everything. Well guys, it's quite interesting. The price really moved downwards, and we have got the profit from this situation again, and this time was enough for that. So this is a very good downtrend, and the price hasn't approached the support level yet. So let's open the next trade here. We will do it due to the downtrend again for 2 minutes with down movement, and this time is with the result because we can expect a flat here or a bounce. Well, that's amazing. The price moved downwards very impulsively. We have got the profit here. Maybe in this situation there will be the small bounce up, and then the movement down to the support level will continue because the price hasn't approached this level yet. So let's watch the price a little. Well guys, here you can see the price stopped and there is no bounce here. So let's open the next trade here again with down movement due to the downtrend because the price is more likely to keep on moving down to the support level, and 2 minutes is with the reserve because I'm still expecting the bounce up here. Well guys, that's amazing, really. The price bounced up a little and then movement down continued again. We have got the profit from this situation, and no, this time was enough for that. The downtrend really continued to the support level, and this level is located on the mark 730, and that's why it would be very dangerous to open the trade here because there can be the bounce from this level or the flat zone as well. So let's find another entry point. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level, and you can also notice that the price has impulsively and confidently approached this level, and in this situation it would be brilliant to open the trade with down for 1 minute, and I'm sure there will be bounce from this level because the price touches this level for the first time, and in such situations after the impulsive coming to the level there is the pullback. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. We have got the small flat here, but anyway, the pullback happened and we have closed this trade profitable. Maybe very soon there will be the complete pullback, or the flat will take some time, but I would like to continue and find another situation. Well guys, here you can see the support level, and you can also notice that the price touched this level, then there was the pullback, and then after the flat the price is again moving towards this level. So in this situation let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes, and also we can expect a small flat again, and then the movement down must continue, and maybe this level will be broken through because the price has a very great potential for a decrease and the price lows are becoming lower. It is sticking to the level. Let's check everything. Well guys, it's quite interesting. So we have got the small flat here, but anyway the movement down continued and we have got the amazing profit, and 2 minutes were enough for that. So my deposit is $6,000. So let's find the next and last situation for today. So let's find something interesting. So here this is the support level, and this is the very good wavy way movement down. So there was a bounce up, and it is a very great point to open the trade. So let's do it for 3 minutes with down movement, and I'm sure the price will keep on moving down to the support level, and you can see the price highs are becoming lower, and this is the sticking to the level, and there is a great chance that the price will move down. And this time is with the result because there can be bounce again, and also you can see the price is bouncing up here. Let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. So the price really moved downwards to the support level, and we have got the amazing, the brilliant profit, and this time was enough for that. So my deposit is $10,000. So I think it's high time to finish our trading for today. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now you know that trading with OTC currency pairs is a very brilliant thing, and you can trade not only on weekdays but also at the weekends, at night time. And of course, come to my Telegram chat. You'll find the link in the description under this video. Send me the code phrase private. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put a like, write a comment, and I'll see you next time.